gosh, the most elegant, gorgeous, incredible, careful. Trick or treat. It doesn't stop on Roanoke.
I got it. Look at you.
At that. The extravagant, amazing.
Looks kind of pretty, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Does it look like it's something of the past?
Is it?
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it really is.
Vintage?
It was a Bessie Johnson from yesteryear.
Wow.
Oh,
Come,
I
Velma,
love that.
come.
And the shoes were from my act, Lady in Red.
Wow.
You'll remember Lady in Red. I mean, all you musicians. The first time I met her, I was so impressed. I said, oh, I see nothing without my glasses. Maybe it's better.
Sometimes. I think sometimes it is. Oh, Kate went off.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
I said to her, musicians are so brilliant because I'm totally tone deaf, totally. And when I was working a lot and I'd go into a gig and they just throw 5 musicians together and they played, give me some magic music, and they all knew thousands and thousands of magic songs. And I did Arabian Nights kind of stuff, and they did Arabian Nights songs. And she said, so humbly, she said, gee, I thought everybody could do this.
It's true.
No. It was like when I used to sit on my magic carpet, cross-legged, dressed in a belly dancer costume with a jewel in my navel, people said to me, aren't you afraid that someone's going to steal your act? I said, well, no. Firstly, there were not that many lady magicians. But more than that, who can sit cross-legged on an undulating carpet? I said, I was never afraid. And that's gone, but nobody did.